In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tabs in the Shopify product page. If you're looking to streamline and organize your product information for a better customer experience, adding tabs is a must. Tabs can help present your product details, sizing, reviews, and more in a clean, structured way without overwhelming your customers with too much text all at once. So let's dive in and see how you can add these helpful features to your product pages. To get started, you'll want to navigate over to the Apps section of your Shopify dashboard. It's here where you can find a myriad of tools to enhance your store. In this case, we'll be focusing on apps designed specifically for creating product tabs. Simply type tabs or product tabs into the search bar. You'll see several options pop up, each with its own set of features. Take a moment to skim through the results and find an app that best suits your business needs. Once you've identified the right app for you, go ahead and click on it. After selecting the app, you'll be redirected to the app's page where you can learn more about its features, pricing, and reviews. When you're satisfied and ready to proceed, click the Install button. Shopify will prompt you with a confirmation screen to finalize the installation. Make sure you click Install again to complete this action. Once installed, the app will automatically integrate with your store, and you'll be ready to start creating product tabs. The next step is to decide on the specific products you'd like these tabs to appear on. You'll find an option within the app to tick boxes next to the products you want to enhance with tabs. After selecting your products, look for the button or link that says Add Shared Tab and click it. This is where you get to customize your tabs. You'll have a choice of positioning them on your product page. You can set them as the first tab, making them the initial information your customers will see, or you can place them as the last tab for supplementary details. It's entirely up to you and how you'd like to prioritize the information on your product pages. Once you've made your selections and set the desired position for the tabs, be sure to click the Update button to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added tabs to your Shopify product pages. Remember, tabs are a powerful way to condense information, making it accessible without overwhelming your customers. By implementing them, you're not only improving the user experience, but also potentially increasing sales by making necessary information easier to digest. Don't forget to test and preview your product pages after making these changes to ensure everything looks just the way you want. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and happy selling.